Okay, I'm back out here working on the TD8. Just got some parts in. So I'm working on motor mounts today, and this is what I ended up ordering. Abrasion resistant polyurethane rubber round tube, 6 inches long, 2 inches OD by 1.5 inches ID, 80A durometer. This is a tubing and somewhat flexible. So just a spoiler, I did try this once before. This is the finished product after it's pressed in and I trimmed it with a knife. I think this is going to work really well, but what I got to do is I put this in the outer sleeve first, and well, I think it's got some burrs on it there. I think this is going to be a better product than the other one. So I'll tap that in there with a hammer, and then we're going to take this over to the press and push this pin in it. I'll put some soap on this because it's kind of a tight fit. Not too bad though. Let me know what you think. If you think that's going to be better than the plastic stuff I used that was poured in place. This stuff is way softer, and it didn't really hold up too good under, I'd say 600 or 700 hours of use. It didn't hold up. I'm hoping this is better. Let me know what you think on that. I'll show you how I press this in here. Okay, so I got the rubber hammered down. I've got this side flush. This is a little bit long. Figured on trimming it anyway. So what I'm going to do now is, this is pretty simple if you got a press. A little soap, just Dawn soap. I didn't put any soap on that because I don't want it to move. And you can see this is a snug fit, but you can start it by hand. Yeah. Okay, I had a visitor come by there, so I had to stop for a minute, but we're pressing. And you could probably do this with a bench vise. This is not pushing very hard at all. So now the problem I had on the last one is when I got to the bottom, it started pushing rubber out the bottom. So what I did to fix that, you can see, well, we're not quite down yet. I need to push it down some more. Actually, it's okay if that's up because I can trim that rubber off flush with the bushing with a knife. So we just basically need to get it all the way in. And that's a little tricky because I'm hitting the rubber on the bottom. You can see. So all we need to be is just flush. Near as I can tell, we should be flush right there. So that's it. Just shove it in there, and then we'll trim this up with a knife on both sides. No biggie. Anyway, I hope this works better. This is a pretty cheap option. I mean, motor mounts for this dozer are unavailable. And like I say, I tried to fix them myself the last time. Sorry for the dirty shop. I haven't cleaned up in a minute, but I am working on cleaning the engine. I've got some more parts to put in it. Also just found out that I've got some more parts that we got some more issues with it. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.